Taylor, you joined McGrath-Townsville earlier this year. Tell us, what made you decide to make the move?
The coaching's probably been one of the biggest things. Leadership, I've actually had access to one-on-one mentoring with Big JM, John McGrath himself, which has been really helpful, getting his insights, plus the constant support from the Townsville leadership team. It's not just about the sales, it's about building a sustainable business and a high-performance team. That's what's really elevated my results.
Taylor, you've had some very impressive results already. Can you share a little bit about those?
Yeah, it's been pretty wild. Since joining, I've achieved some career bests sales results. We've had 2 properties achieve over 2.5 million. But I think more importantly, I've been able to build momentum in my chosen marketplace and starting to grow a team. It's been able to create a lot more structure and the systems and cultures, that's what's made it possible.
Culture is a big part of McGrath. How would you describe that?
It's very supportive, collaborative, and focused on excellence. We share ideas daily, every morning. We back each other, and we're all pushing to be better every day. There's also the strength of being a part of a wider McGrath network nationwide. I know that I'm not just a part of a local small office, I'm a part of a national brand with incredible resources and some really high performers.
And for agents who might be considering a move, what would you say?
Look, if you want to grow, if you want world-class coaching, and if you want to be a part of a culture that brings out your best, McGrath is a place. It's transformed my business and set me up to build something bigger than myself.
Taylor, congratulations on everything you've achieved so far. It's exciting to see your journey unfold here at McGrath-Townsville.
Thanks, Brad. It's been much easier with the team and having the support of the McGrath network. Thank you very much.